Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles, and welcome to our 2-into-1 shootout for Milwaukee Eight Softail models. So I'll tell you up front, we did installs on all of these pipes on our 2019 Fat Bob. It's gonna be a pretty similar install for all the Softail models. So I'll link you guys to those videos. So if you end up buying one of these, we'll show you how to put it on. But we went with S&S, Reinhardt, Kobra, and Vance & Hines. I'll kind of walk you through the difference of these. I kind of have them laid out by length right now. But all of these are made in America. They're all available in chrome and black, except for this very, very race-inspired Vance & Hines one. It's just this real badass stainless finish. Let's start down here with the S&S pipe. Their Super Street pipe, it's kind of the longest one. It's similar in length to the Reinhardt. It is available in black and chrome. This is the most expensive at $836, but this is a 50-state legal pipe, meaning California people, you get to make the same great horsepower all of us make, and you can still be compliant with this pipe. S&S does offer a race version of this pipe. Comes in cheaper, just under the $800 mark. Kind of long primaries, long muffler, nice black finish, nice end cap. It scoops out to a 4-inch muffler down there. We're gonna let you listen to all of these pipes and let you listen to the S&S one right now. All right, next up is Reinhardt 2-in-1, available in black and chrome. This one, the way it sits, is $800. Similar in length to the S&S pipe. Nice looking pipe, sounds good. I'm sure it works great. This only has a 3.5-inch muffler on it. I will say all of these have the O2 bungs you'll need for all of your installs, whether you're running your standard narrow bands or wide bands, all these pipes have you covered. We also installed this one, and here's what it sounds like. Okay, next up is kind of my sleeper pipe of this bunch here. This is the Kobra El Diablo. This is available in black and chrome as well. This one actually comes in just under $700. It's a little bit shorter. It does bell out to 4 inches, but it tapers back down with the cone. Maybe the most different looking one of all of these. We've been consistently pleased with Kobra products, and again, this pipe does not disappoint, coming in under $700. It has probably the most unique look to it, and it sounds great. We'll go ahead and give you guys a listen to that. All right, last but certainly not least is this VNH Stainless job here. This is by far the raciest looking pipe. As you can see, it is a nice raw stainless finish. It does have a nice heat shield here where you need it. This is the second time we've actually put this pipe on a bike of ours, and I loved it both times. It flares out at the end there to a 4-inch. It's really not 4 inches all the way through. It tapers up, has that kind of classic comp series cone to it, ends up at 4 inches out there at the end. This is the shortest pipe of all of these, and it's also the lightest pipe of all of these. Very, very race inspired. Kind of aesthetically, this was my favorite pipe. It was one I was kind of jazzed about because it is so racy. I love all the racy stuff. And it comes in right at $800. When you think about it, kind of a bargain for a full stainless pipe. You don't have to go to some one-off, Instagram welder or some sort of hot rod guy and wait 3 months for them to get you a stainless pipe. You can buy one straight from us and the great folks at Vance & Hines. And we'll give you a listen to that one. All right, we have 4 wonderful options here for you that kind of cover a lot of different ground in different spaces. The great thing, like I said, these are all made in America. Aesthetically, you have a lot of options from the race-inspired stainless steel piece here all the way down to your 50-state compliant piece from S&S that still makes great horsepower and everything in between. If you're looking for a 2-into-1, I'm sure you can find it with one of these on the table here. As always, have any questions, hit us up in the comment section. Go work on your motorcycle.